Hello guys, today I've got the iPad Air M4 from 2026 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the screen rotation not working. At first, scroll down to the control panel. As you can see, the button that you can enable the screen rotation is this one. Now it's locked, now it's unlocked. If you don't see this button here, you need to hold the finger in the background, tap Add Control, tap Search Controls, type Rotation, maybe Screen. Okay, so as you can see, it won't be that easy. Here, as you can see, it's orientation. Let's call orientation next screen rotation. It's here in the screen brightness. Tap it, and now, as you can see, we have two of them. Tap it to disable the rotation lock, and now to enable the screen rotation lock, and now disable the screen rotation lock. Now everything should be working fine. Test your tablet and gyroscope in the different applications, different places, and if it doesn't work still, restart your tablet to reset the sensors. So, hold the power and volume up buttons and slide to power off. Now everything should be working fine. If it doesn't work fine now, you need to, wait a moment, focus is being lost here. If it still doesn't work, you need to contact device support because the gyroscope may be broken. And that's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.